This is the voice of Union Christian Public School. Vox Populi.
The radio of UCPS. Your voice, your station, your pride.
Good afternoon, everyone. You have tuned in to Vox Populi, the voice of UCPS. This is your RJ Hesley and
RJ Joanna,
bringing you the 16th episode of our radio broadcast, mixed with laughter, shocks, and drama. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned for this one.
Hey Hesley, have you ever heard your piggy bank saying thank you? Because World Thrift Day is like a birthday for your savings. It's on October 31st. Yep, the same day as Halloween. Instead of collecting candy, we'll be collecting cash and good habits.
Hold up, it's on the same day Halloween? So, I wish I have a Halloween ghost who always gives me money.
Halloween ghosts will not give you money, but scare the people who waste money without saving.
Yes, Halloween teaches us to face our fears, and Thrift Day reminds us to face our spending habits.
While everyone else is getting spooky on October 31st, World Thrift Day is quietly celebrating something far less scary, your financial future. The date was chosen way back in 1924 because the next day, November 1st, is a holiday in many countries. The clever idea was that people would have a day off to actually go to the bank and open a savings account. So it's not about competing with candy, it's about choosing a date that makes it easy for everyone to start their saving journey.
To help us really understand the magic behind the money, we have a very special guest with us, our very own commerce teacher, Mrs. Sridevi ma'am, who will help us understand more about this day.
Hello ma'am, we are from Vox Populi and we have some questions regarding World Thrift Day. Why is financial literacy and specifically the habit of saving a crucial life skill as reading or writing for a young adult entering the world today?
Financial literacy, particularly the habit of saving, is as essential for a young adult today as reading or writing, because it directly determines their ability to navigate an increasingly complex and uncertain world. Just as literacy empowers individuals to understand any information, financial literacy equips them to make informed choices about money, which is a tool that influences nearly every aspect of modern life. A young adult who understands how to budget, save, and invest can avoid the traps of debt, manage any unexpected expenses, and work towards long-term goals such as higher education, owning a home, or starting a business, etc. For example, someone who saves even a small portion of their monthly income builds an emergency fund that can cover a huge medical bill or any major vehicle repair or sudden job loss or investment in a business idea, preventing reliance on high interest loan or credit card. Moreover, in an era where digital payments and online investments are common, knowing how to save and plan financially promotes independence and reduces stress. A financially literate person navigates the balancing of funds better. Example, avoiding impulsive buys like buying a mobile costing Rs 1,50,000 when a Rs 30,000 mobile is sufficient enough, or preventing any financial setbacks like investing in any investment without understanding the risk of doing so. Just as reading allows individuals to interpret the world around them, savings teaches financial self-discipline, responsibility, and prioritizing long-term goal over immediate desire, which are essential for their personal growth and success. Developing this habit teaches discipline, patience, and foresight, qualities that are not only important for personal success but also for contributing to society's economic well being. In a world where financial independence is increasingly tied to well being and opportunity, cultivating the habit of saving is not merely practical, it's a vital skill for lifelong empowerment.
For a parent listening right now, what is one simple, actionable step they can take this week to start building a healthy saving mindset in their child, making it a natural part of their life?
As a parent listening right now, one simple step you can take is to introduce a weekly savings jar method at home, making savings a tangible and fun for your child. Choose a goal together, like a 5,000 rupees toy or a family trip, etc., and agree on a rule. Every time your child gets money, like pocket money, gift, or anything else, they allocate a fixed percentage, say 30%, into the savings jar immediately. Label the jar with his goal before spending on anything else. For example, if your ward gets 500 pocket money, he puts 150 rupees into the jar and can use rupees 350 for anything he desires. He'll see the progress visually as the jar fills. Make it a regular practice. Each weekend, review the jar's growth together. Discuss why saving matters, like funding bigger dreams or handling surprises, etc., and maybe even match a small part of their saving. Like if they save 200, you add 50 rupees extra to motivate them. Gradually shift from jars to a bank account or a piggy bank as they grasp the concept, and later introduce any long-term goal. By making savings a habit, you will nurture a mindset where saving feels as natural as any routine work. And now he'll build responsibility and confidence to chase bigger goals. Extend this by involving them in small budgeting decisions at home, like planning a family outing or how to cut cost on any routine household expenditure, etc., to cement the habit. Start small, stay consistent, and watch it compound into a lifelong strength.
Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. The insights you gave us really changed the way I look at financing.
So, what's the takeaway from this day?
Remember this, World Thrift Day isn't a one-day event. It's a yearly reminder that being smart with your money is one of the coolest and most empowering skills you can ever learn.
Next up is our most delicious segment, Tasty Tiffin Time. Today, we have with us a little star from first grade, winner of Tinder Kitchen competition, Rebecca Kritika Mamen.
Rebecca, today, what recipe are you going to share with us?
How to do millet laddus. As you all know, millets are in high protein and calcium too. They also provide minerals like iron and potassium. They are good for our health. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup of millets, 1 cup of peanuts, roast them together, grind them together, 1 cup of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 pinch of cardamom powder. Mix them all together, make them into balls. I hope you all try this. I hope you all enjoy this. Thank you.
Well, that was truly delicious. Thank you, Rebecca. Eat smart, stay strong, and keep smiling.
You know, Nestle, while I was deep in a rabbit hole online researching for my social project, I stumbled upon a really interesting day dedicated to unity. The name is on the tip of my tongue. It was Rashtriya Diwali something. It's not the festival of lights, but it sounds just as significant.
Oh, Joanna, you landed on a cornerstone of our national identity. You're thinking of Rashtriya Ekata Divas or National Unity Day. It's a powerful tribute to the birthday of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He played a major role in uniting our nation after independence and brought together more than 560 princely states into one nation. So this day is far more than a commemoration. It's an active reaffirmation of our commitment to the peace, unity and security.
Ah, that makes perfect sense. I got confused with Diyas and Divas in the name. Thank you for clearing that up and shining a light on the real Iron Man of India. Today we are conducting a quiz on Rashtriya Ekta Divas. So sharpen your minds and get ready. You can write the answers in a paper and hand it over to Benzi ma'am in the East block and Letitia ma'am in the South block. One who gives the right answer first will be the winner. Don't forget to write your name on the paper. Winner's name will be announced in the next episode.
Here comes the first question. Which great leader's birth anniversary is celebrated as National Unity Day? Now, the second question. In which year was National Unity Day first celebrated in India?
The last question is, where is the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, located?
And that wraps up our Ekata Devas quiz. Now, let's listen to a song that has inspired generations, a melody that celebrates our nation's strength and togetherness. Vaanam Ondre, Vayam Ondre.
வானம் ஒன்றே வையம் ஒன்றே வானம் ஒன்றே வையம் ஒன்றே வாழ்க வாழ்க எங்கள் தேசம் ஒன்றே ஜாதிகள் வேறு சமயங்கள் வேறு பாஷை வேறு மக்கள் பண்பு ஒன்றே வெவ்வேறு வேர்கள் கூடும் எம் மண்ணிலே வெவ்வேறு கிளிகள் பேசும் எம் காற்றிலே கீதை பைபிள் குரான் எல்லாம் கீதை பைபிள் குரான் எல்லாம் எங்கள் தாய்க்கு பொது வேதமாகும்
நீங்கள் வேறு உறவு கையில் விரல்கள் போலே பிரிவு வேளை வந்தால் விரல்கள் போலே ஒன்றாய் சேர்வோமே
வானம் ஒன்றே வையம் ஒன்றே வாழ்க வாழ்க எங்கள் தேசம் ஒன்றே ஜாதிகள் வேறு
Let's keep that spirit alive today and every day. Stay united, stay proud.
Moving on, for our next segment, we have The World This Week, brought to you by Abhisha Alex of Class 11A.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Abhisha Alex, bringing you top news headlines this week. The State Bank of India scheduled a maintenance blackout of its digital service on 25th Saturday. Air India launched its first non-stop flight from Delhi to Manila, Philippines in October, establishing direct connectivity between the two countries. Prime Minister Modi addressed the Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit virtually. Schools were shut down and more than 50,000 people were evacuated as Cyclone Monta strengthened over the Bay of Bengal, getting prepared across Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Authorities in New Delhi carried out a cloud seeding trial to induce rain and clear the city's severe smog. Draupadi Murmu, President of India, took a historic sortie in a Rafale fighter jet, becoming the first president to fly in two different IAF fighters. The Government of India and China reaffirmed that they will maintain active communication and manage tensions along their shared Himalayan border. The US President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping met face-to-face on 29 October in Busan, South Korea, marking their first in-person meeting in 6 years. Russia is reported to have tested a nuclear-powered torpedo capable of causing a radioactive tsunami, aggressing a war in Ukraine. Sports news. In South Asian Athletics Championship held in Ranchi, India topped the medal tally by winning 20 gold medals. The first men's T20 international match between India and Australia team was cancelled due to rain. That's all for the news. Stay tuned for more updates right here on Vox Populi.
And that's a wrap on this week's chapter of Vox Populi. We now thank our editor Andrew for putting everything together. We hope you enjoy the mix of fun and facts. We'll be back next week with more stories, more discoveries, and more conversations. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.
And remember, this is more than just a radio show. This is your platform. This is Vox Populi, where your voice matters, your station thrives, and your pride finds a home. Thanks for tuning in.
This is the voice of Union Christian Public School.
The radio of UCPS. Your voice, your station, your pride.